Hey marketers, welcome to another week of Tactical Tuesday with OM. And today we'll be covering custom channel groupings within Google Analytics to clean up your data. So I'm sure as some of you have noticed under the acquisition report, the overview drop down, when you select this, oftentimes you'll see a other category for the categories that are attributing your traffic. When you dive into this category a little deeper, this grouping, depending on what you're setting your UTMs, some of your paid social and paid search traffic may be going underneath this category. So for instance, we filter by source medium, and you can see these are the UTMs we use, and our Google ads, Bing ads, and Facebook and Instagram ads, which are all paid social and paid search, are being grouped underneath the other category. We did two things for this. Using custom channel groupings, we added Bing and Google ads to paid search. And then we actually created an additional channel grouping called paid social, which is where we will be sending our Facebook and Instagram paid social traffic and LinkedIn. So essentially, we're just moving all this traffic from other to their respective categories, paid search and paid social. Now to do this, we went to admin, and underneath view, we selected channel settings and channel grouping. We selected the default channel grouping. We could have labeled it custom channel grouping now, but all we did within the paid search category was we included the medium matches regex paid search, which is what we saw when we looked under source medium for paid search. So now it will now group that UTM underneath paid search rather than other. Next, what we did is we created a new channel for paid social. We labeled it paid social, and we used that medium. We could have used the source medium, but we used that medium paid social to group our Facebook and Instagram paid social as well as our LinkedIn into that grouping. So now we remove our paid search and paid social traffic from the other channel grouping, and we now define it underneath the paid search and paid social categories to therefore clean up our data. Let us know if you guys have any other questions on how to set this up and any other questions on channel groupings, and we'd be more than happy to help you guys. Thanks, marketers.